Okay, so when you get on your main screen, you guys probably know how to do this better than I would. Um, you'll need to download an app, and this app will be Graphical Analysis. You'll put in Vernier Graphical Analysis, and you can go ahead and use that extension through Google. And when it's working, then when you have it come up, and it starts the program or the software off, it'll go graphical analysis. What we're going to have you do on all of these where you're putting in information, you'll go into manual entry. So this is what the graphical analysis would do, and all it does is just allows you to graph numbers or data. Okay, just to show you a little bit of data set, I'm going to go ahead and do an object moving over a distance over amount of time. So my x-axis here, I'm going to change that column. And this is just to show you how to show the columns. Got a column option. You can rename it. I'm going to go ahead and name this time, and I'm going to go seconds. And I'm going to apply it. I can go ahead and change the y-axis. I'm going to go ahead and do column option on that. This is your dependent variable. Time would be the independent. Distance is depending upon time. So I'll go distance and go meters. And we'll just go ahead and apply that. So what I can do is I can put in my data. So let's say that something 0 seconds and it went a distance of 0 meters. Then after 5 seconds, it went 10 meters. After 15 seconds, we went 30 meters. We'll go 30. It went 60 meters and 50. And then after 50, went 100 meters. And so we get a direct relationship. We can go down to our graph tool. This kind of goes down our graph tool here. And what we can do is we can go to edit graph options, and we can show a line, or we can show both. I like showing both. We can add a graph title. We can go distance versus time. That's what we're comparing. So we got our title up here. We can look at all our points we have on our table. We can go even down and do a curve fit. We always like to do curve fits. This will be an easy curve fit that's linear. Gives us some information. It says y equals m is 2. And then intercept is 0. That just makes sense. 0 times 0 distance. And so our slope is 2. And so basically after every 1 second, we travel 2 meters. So that kind of says that after 1 second, 2 meters, after 2 seconds, 4 meters, and so on and so forth. So that's what it looks like. Okay, and you can also take a screenshot of this, which a lot of you know how to do. And when you take a screenshot of it, that's what you're going to apply to Google Classroom to turn in your assignments after each one of these laws that you take a look at. So that's how graphical analysis will look.